In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Shopify page templates. A page template in Shopify lets you reuse a layout for different pages while still changing the actual page content. This is helpful when you want multiple pages to share the same structure, such as a consistent header section, spacing, or specific blocks you plan to use again. To begin, go to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand navigation, click Online Store. This is where you manage the parts of your storefront that customers see, including themes, blog posts, and pages. Next, select Pages. This takes you to the area where your standard site pages are managed, like About, Contact, or any custom pages you have created. Once you are in Pages, look for the option to create a new template, and select Create Template. You are not creating a page yet, you are creating the layout that a page can use. Now you will be asked to name your template. In the Name field, enter a unique title that clearly describes its purpose. A simple descriptive naming style works best, such as About Our Brand. Using a consistent format makes it easier to find later, especially when you have several templates. Keep the name specific and avoid vague labels so you can recognize it quickly when assigning templates to pages. After naming it, you will choose what the template is based on. You will see a Based On option. If you choose Default Page, Shopify will copy the layout from your current standard page template. This is usually the fastest approach because it gives you a working structure to start from, and you can adjust it later as needed. If you choose None, Shopify will create a blank template. This option is best when you want to build a layout from scratch without inheriting any existing sections or settings. Once you have confirmed the name and selected the starting point, click Create Template. Shopify will generate the new page template and save it in your theme so it is available to use. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.